In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do a single leg quick rebounding calf raise. So you might have seen my video on the double leg calf raise where you're rebounding from repetition to repetition. But this time I'm going to go for the single leg variation. These are fantastic if you're looking to go back into plyometric exercise, for warm-ups for certain sports, or alternatively just to get more elasticity into jumping movements. So let's start off. So a quick rebounding calf raise is essentially when you've got both feet facing forwards, and then in this position I'm going to come up onto my tiptoes, so into the calf raise and back down. What makes it quick rebounding is we do it really fast, but I never bring my toes nor my forefoot off the floor. So there's no jump, it's just quickly coming up into calf raises and using that momentum. Now for the single leg variation, of course, doing it in one single leg stance is going to be really tough. So you've got a lot of balance going on there. So if that's too hard, you can always regress it to have one hand on the wall, and then from here, you'd come into your quick rebounding calf raise. If that's too easy, take the hand off the wall and you can come straight back into it. If you find that it's kind of in between easy and hard, the best thing to do is start off when you're doing it with the hard variation, but have something like a wall in front of you, so if you need it, there's something straight away there to grab onto. So that is how to do a single leg quick rebounding calf raise.